Have you ever wondered why we use clay masks on our face? This is one of my favorite clay masks. It's the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask Twice X. Why do we use clay? Clay has this amazing property. When it's wet, it swells up, and as it slowly dries, it kind of soaks up all of the excessive sebum and impurities and pulling it inwards into the center of the clay molecule. Now, there are a lot of different type of clays that are used in masking. One of the most common ones in India is Fuller's Earth, which is also popularly known as Multani Mitti. We also have kaolin clay, which is very popularly used, and there is volcanic ash, which is also used. So the super volcanic clay mask is made with volcanic ash, and the reason why they use this volcanic ash in the face mask is because it has the ability to absorb 98% of your sebum from your face with one single use. Another super ingredient in the super volcanic clay mask is lactic acid. Lactic acid is a type of AHA. So AHA is alpha hydroxy acid. It is a chemical that is naturally found. You can find lactic acid in curd, and you also produce lactic acid in your body when your muscles are tired. And one of the properties of AHAs is that it gently removes all of the dead skin cells off of your face, and that results in decongesting your pores. It really helps in improving the texture of your skin, and it also really helps in giving you an even and radiant skin tone. How do you use a clay mask? Apply a thin, even layer of the clay mask on your skin. If you have a very oily T-zone only, then just apply it on your T-zone. Otherwise, you can go ahead and apply a thin, even layer all over your face. Let the clay mask sit in for 15 to 20 minutes. And to remove the face mask, you can either use a sponge dipped in lukewarm water and gently scrub it off of your face, or you can rinse it using lukewarm water. You can apply a clay mask 1 to 2 times a week depending on how oily your skin is. And I generally like to apply my face mask twice a week when I'm PMSing. So what happens when I am PMSing? My estrogen levels are very fluctuating, because of which I get sore breasts, I get bloated, I have a lot of mood swings, and one of the other effects that it has is that it creates a lot more sebum production on your skin. You can just use the clay mask on your jawline or wherever you get excessively oily. Otherwise, you can apply the clay mask once a week. So what are the results of using this clay mask? So once you use this, your pores are going to be deeply cleansed. Firstly, the volcanic ash is going to soak up all of the excess oil. Secondly, the lactic acid, which is an AHA, is going to clean your pores, it's going to decongest your pores, and it's going to minimize the appearance of the pore. Therefore, it will improve the appearance of your skin. It'll give it a firmer, tighter feel, and you're also going to see an improvement in the texture of your skin, because all of the bumpiness and everything comes from all of the dead skin buildup. So once that layer is kind of taken away, your skin is going to feel extremely smooth. It is also a really effective way of removing blackheads and making sure it does not really reappear on your skin, especially on areas like your nose or the chin. And it has a very cooling effect. So on those hot summer days, this clay mask will really give you a nice cooling sensation. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video was informative for you guys. I have linked the super volcanic clay mask in the description box in case you guys would like to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to reach 300k soon, so your support would mean the most to me. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!